guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I would like to teach you how to finally achieve one of the biggest milestones in pole dancing or pole tricks, which is the climb. This is a beginner move that is essential for you moving up and getting into more complicated tricks. I personally think it's one of the easiest pole tricks to achieve, and it has so many variations that look beautiful and elegant and effortless. So once you get this down, your confidence in pole is gonna skyrocket and you're gonna be motivated to get all these tricks that you have ahead of you. One thing to keep in mind for this is that it is going to be painful, but that is the case for most pole tricks. Don't let that get in the way. Also, you're not going to achieve this in the first try or the second try, or maybe even after several weeks. Everyone's pacing is different, everyone's body and strength levels are different. So keep practicing, and I hope you follow along with this tutorial and it helps you. Let's get started.
So let's begin with the pole set. So first things first, it's really important for you guys to envision what we're trying to get here. Our crotch is going to sit on the pole, not our thighs, but our crotch. So when you sit on the pole, you're gonna lift yourself up slightly with your arms, lift your body, open your legs, and then squeeze. If you can't lift yourself up, practice just going on your tippy toes and giving it a go from there. It can feel difficult to lift your body, but trust me, you got this. Get your crotch to the pole and the pole will catch you. Another thing to notice, you're crossing one leg over slightly, and this is making sure that the pole is tight between your legs. It should be so tight that you can let go with one hand. If you still can't get this right, I would definitely practice on the floor. Get the pole up to your crotch, cross one leg over. The leg that is higher will be the same side as the arm that is on the pole. You will notice that if your hips are leveled and one leg is not crossed over, you can't grip on the pole and you won't be able to sit on it properly. Make sure that the pole is not on your thighs. If the pole is between your thighs, then you will continue to slip and you won't be able to sit properly. Once you feel comfortable with your sit, go ahead and try attempting it from a climb. If you got this far, I am so proud of you. I knew you could do it. Go ahead and have fun with it, lean back, and pat yourself on the back because you just learned how to sit on the pole. As always, like and subscribe for more. Let me know if you guys have any questions or recommendations on any more pole tutorials. I would love to create those for you guys. I'm out. Happy poling!